All right, we have something new that's going to be really exciting and super helpful, especially for people that are running teams that are all working in high level on different things at the same time. Sales teams, this is going to be super, super great for. So if you head into your labs, you do have to enable it. It's not live for another 24 days. You're going to see you now have the option to do internal chat for team collaboration. It'll tell you all the different things that you can do here, but we're just going to dive right in and show you in real time what it can do. So let's come here to conversations. We already went ahead and enabled it, and you'll see we already have our internal chat kind of pop up right here. Connect to the team instantly, chat with sub-account users directly within the conversations module, share all updates, etc. So it's just going to walk us through it. We're going to say, hey, do we want new? We can do a direct message, a group message, or an internal chat. So direct message to a contact, group SMS, and then we want to do a new internal. I am obviously not my own account, but we're just going to go ahead and chat with me. And this is a test of the new chat feature. Here's a sample attachment, I guess. Okay. Well, it's being a little slow. Sorry about that. So then you can, of course, go ahead and add in like cute little emojis, and you can attach files. Let's just go ahead and choose from the media library. Why not? Oh, it is being really slow. So let's just go ahead and upload a mock-up of a brand new lead magnet that we made, and then go ahead and send. And then this is linked. So, oh my goodness, that's beautiful for file sharing and image sharing. I'm curious, did I get a notification? But I think I'm also logged into our core account inside of the app as well. Let's take a look and see if it does show up. I don't see anything. All right, so I'm not seeing it show up inside of the app. I might have to enable that in it as well. But hey, guess what? This is very exciting. All right, so it's not there. That threw me off track a little bit. I kind of expected it to be there. It might be at some point. But then we also have this option too, where you can, of course, mark your team chats as unread. You can come over here and go ahead and add users as well. So if I wanted to add someone else, we only have us two in this account. But then you'll see you have this nice little kind of inbox here as well, where you're just keeping your internals, so you're not getting all messed up, because you have like the team inbox, the assigned, and then you also have your internal. So you do have this nice new kind of organization level inside of the chat to keep things kind of clean and fancy. And then you can also toggle this off if you just want a full screen as well. So let us know if you plan to use this. I'm kind of excited to play with it. We'll see. I guess I'll have to start using my actual own account